Now that we have WSUS running, it's a case of configuring the clients to attach to this machine rather than the Windows Update server. You could go around every client configuring it, but this would be rather tedious. So we're going to use group policy to send the information out to all the machines. So the first thing we need to do is open Group Policy Management. We could, in a large organization, split the machines up into groups and allocate a group policy for each one. But as this is quite a small system, we're just going to do it at the domain level. So if you click on the name of your domain, you should get the default domain policy showing. And what we're going to do by right clicking is create a new GPO, Group Policy Object, and then we'll edit it. So we'll give it the name of WSUS. Then we will right click on it and choose Edit. Of the two sections, we want the computer configuration one, we want policies, and we want administrative templates. Now, before we go any further, because we've been adding and removing things to this system, it's worth updating the policy before we proceed. So what you do is right click on administrative templates, and we add or remove a template. From the policy templates we add, and from rather long list appears, if we scroll right to the bottom, you will find the Windows Admin one. We choose Open, and then we can close. And this updates template for us. If we now open up the administrative templates, we can find the components. And if we scroll down the Windows components, almost to the end, you will find Windows Update. You may have to make the column slightly wider so you can read it, but it's in there somewhere. There are quite a few items in here that need to be changed. The first one we want to do is configure automatic updates. So we double click on that. And first thing we want to do is enable it. Then a few options to choose. We can let people know there's an update ready for downloading and installation. We can tell them it's ready for installation, having automatically downloaded it. We can automatically download and schedule the install. That's the one I recommend we use. Or we leave it up to the local admin. So we're going to do the auto download and schedule the install. Because we've chosen option 4, we want to say how often do we want to install the updates. So I recommend we do it Friday and we do it mid-afternoon, round about 3 o'clock. And we can say OK that one. The next one down, specify an intranet update service location. So again, we can click on that one. And once more, we need to enable it when the setting appears. So enable, and in here we put the URL that we were given earlier for using with WH at WSUS. So it was http://server, and for the statistics we put in the same URL. This allows the machines to update the list of what installs have been done on it. So again, we can OK that one. Next one down, updates detection frequency. We can enable that one, and it asks you how often to check for updates, and I would say we'll leave it at default of 22. Again, the next one down, we need to enable for non-admin people to receive the notifications. This way a normal user can install the machine. And we jump one and allow automatic updates immediate installation. And again, we enable this, and as soon as the updates are downloaded, they will be installed. Then we jump a few and we're looking for the one called reschedule automatic updates scheduled installations, and once more we enable this, and this allows us to wait for a certain time after a reboot for any missed updates to be installed. I recommend we wait maybe 5 minutes before we do that. And that's all the settings that is required to be passed out. As before, there's no need to save the group policy. Just close it. It is there and it's enabled. So the next time a machine is logged on, it will download the policy and start referring to the local WSUS server for its updates rather than Windows Update.